This is a video on how I integrated my ATI Wi-Fi power module into my home network so I didn't have to log into the ATI network to access my light. So do this at your own risk. If you change any settings in this area, it could require you to reset your light. So here we go. So you log in, you use username root. So it has to be root here. And then you use the password that you set up to access your light normally. So I'm going to put in my password that I created and I log in. So the first step you're going to want to do here is you're going to go to System and System. And this host name you're going to want to make unique. So I just backspace this and call it ATI and click Save and Apply. So once this saves, we're going to go to Network Interfaces. And there's a network called Batlink 1, and we're going to delete that. Okay, so we have our LAN network, and we're going to edit this. And we're going to change this website or this IP address from 192.168.1.1 to 101.1. And we're just going to click Save. We will apply that in a moment. But before we do that, we're going to click over to Physical Settings. And we're going to check this box called Bridge Interfaces. We're going to leave Ethernet adapter checked, and we're also going to check Wireless Network. So now we're going to save and apply all those changes we just made. And this will take a second to save. And now that those changes are done, or almost done, we can actually link it to our home network. So we're going to go to Network, and we're going to go to Wi-Fi. So here we're going to scan to find our home network. And we're going to go down and find which one is ours. This one is mine. So I'm going to click Join. And in here, we're going to uncheck this box, Replace Wireless Configuration. And we're going to put in our home Wi-Fi password. And then the last thing on this page is we're going to check this radio button unspecified. And we're going to click Submit. So now we're going to scroll down on this page and we're going to click LAN here. We're going to also leave this one checked and we're going to do Save and Apply. And that is our last change to integrate it into your home network. Once this is saved, we're going to go to almost done. Okay, now we're going to go to Network Interfaces, and we're going to see your home network, and it's going to have an IP address. So this one says it's set up 10.0.0.70. So at this point, you can switch from your ATI fixture network to your home network. Make sure it's there, and then go to that IP that it gave you. It might take a second to refresh. Here we go. So now you can log in with your password, username and password that you have set up. So at this point, you're on your home network and you can connect to your LAN.